Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kit from Gameoverse. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw 2 curves down for the bangs. And then let's bring it down on each end. Now let's curve it down underneath and back out. And the same on the right side. And now let's bring it back up to the top, meeting in the center. Now top down underneath and let's draw a curve down and in for the side pieces of hair. And a shorter one next to it on each side. And now let's angle it down to close off each piece. Now in between these pieces of hair, at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves down for the chin. And that's it for the front pieces of hair. Now let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with 2 curves, leaving a gap in the center for the tops of the eyes. And then curve it down on each end. Now let's thicken up each of these lines slightly. And then an eyelash out on each side. Now on top of each eye, let's add a small curve. And another curve at the bottom. Now we're going to hop in and draw the pupils by drawing 2 long rectangles. And then another one in the top right corner. And that's it for the eyes. Now on top, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with 2 small lines. Bring it up from the center. And then angle it out on the outside. Then close off each one at the top. Next, for the face, we're going to hop down and draw the nose. Let's add a small black triangle in the center here. And then for the mouth, we'll start in the center and we're going to draw 2 curves out and up. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and add the goggles. Let's start with 2 lines up on the top left and the same on the top right. And then close it off at the top. Now inside, let's add a curve along the top. And then hop in between and let's draw another curve across. Now for the ends of the goggles, we're going to hop out and let's bring it out and down. Now on top of the goggles, let's add the ears. Let's start with 2 curves up and out. And bring them back down. Now to finish off the hair, let's bring it out and down on each side. Now for the next section, let's draw an angle down and back in. Then let's hop in and let's add one more, like this. And then to finish off the back of the hair, let's add a small angle underneath each side of the head. Now that we're done the hair, let's add the whiskers. Let's add 2 curves out on each cheek. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 small lines down for the neck. And then a longer line across. Now for the collar, let's bring it down. And a curve at the bottom. Now on each side, let's bring it out for the shoulders. Next, we're going to hop back in and underneath, let's draw 2 angles down. And a curve down on each side. Next, let's add 2 small lines for the waist. Now to continue her dress, let's curve it out for the hips. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's add the pattern inside the dress. Let's draw 2 lines down in the center. Then from the right line, let's bring it out and down to the bottom. Now we're going to hop over to the left line. We're going to continue it down and bring it over and down. And that's it for her dress. Now underneath, let's draw the tops of the legs by drawing 2 lines down in the center. And 2 lines angling them in on the outside. Now before we continue the legs, we're going to hop back up and add the arms. We'll start from the shoulders and let's bring it down and out. And then another angle underneath. Now inside each arm, let's add a line across. Now at the bottom of each arm, let's draw a longer line across. An angle down to her hips on the inside. And then from the outside, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then bring it back into the legs at the bottom. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw 2 small lines from the sides. And close it off with a point. Now inside, let's add a small bump along the edge. And then angled lines going out like this. Now let's move to the bottom and draw the fingers by drawing a curve down and in. And add another curve down inside. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move to the bottom and continue the legs. Inside the bottom of each leg, let's draw a square shape up, leaving it open at the bottom. And then bring it out on each side. Now from the ends, let's angle it down. And then close off the bottom with a curve down. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw 2 lines up inside each foot. And then a point up on top. And then hop in and let's draw 2 lines down. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Next to the left arm, let's draw a curve up and back down. Then let's curve it back in underneath. And another wavy line down to the arm. And that's it for Kit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!